They talk about what is that? Russian army tank T-72. I saw there in Second Street. Yeah, I know that already. I searched that. I'm the one who's a witness. But right now, it's coming Holy Week. It's really Holy Week. I say to um, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, Danmar. If I were you, do not create fake account in Facebook. Even your other allies, Kel Pabelo, Eskel Penumbra, Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Asedjo, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, Eskel Penumbra, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog. Even all of you who were Marcos loyalists, who were fake Filipinos, who created the fake account. You know, Danmar, if I were you, do not create dummy accounts to ruin Cedric Mariano. Because for me, I never want to create fake account. You have to show your goodwill to other people. For example, like me, I'm not making trolls. I'm not making fake account. As I'm a pro Duterte, as I'm a Duterte supporter, I'm not making fake account in Facebook. I do realize that was a cybercrime. You don't know what you're doing, Danmar. You created the fake account to ruin Rodelio. If I seen in the Facebook post of Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he was alongside with his family members, even his mother. He's posting about his mother. He remember his mother. He loves his mother too. What about you, Danmar? Who you just love? Yourself? Your family? I don't think so. You're talking about politics. And you're framing Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You set him up that he ruined Cedric Mariano. I think you're just like really similar of me, Danmar. For me, I'm not similar anyway in the past for what I did to Rafa. When I say, last 2018, I put a target, I edited picture, I attack him, I insult his reputation. For me, I apologize to Rafa Soco. I will never do that again. Because I know Rafa Soco is an anti-Marcos too. He did not endorse Bongbong Marcos. He endorsed Lenny Robredo. And I know I apologize Rafa Soco sincerely. That is my fault. Unlike you, Danmar, make apology to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You have to apologize sincerely. Don't attack everyone. For me, in the past, I attacked Teacher Vincent. I attacked Teacher Gio Malana. Last 2021, 6 years ago. Last 2 years ago, 2024. That will never be happen again. For me, in my YouTube vlog, my awareness to Danmar Dayaw and Paulo Cruzada and Eskel Penumbra and Sangkay Janjan and Gina Sedjo and Jeffrey Asedjo and G. Macasandil and Teacher Alexander Pagkalinawan and Ate Dina Guillermo and Romeo TV Vlog and Jam Magno. I'm just saying to all of you, do not create fake account. Huwag kayo gumawa ng kung ano sa Facebook. Puro kayo mga kalokohan, puro kayo katarantaduan, like what you making a fake account to mess the person, those people, they didn't do anything about Cedric. Rodelio has nothing to do with Cedric. Wala naman po kinalaman kay Cedric. Rodelio is really busy on his work. Do not talk about politics. Kuya Rodelio Daguman is normal. You, Danmar, all of us, we are special. Like us, we do not say, if you are as a normal person who's a cerebral palsy, would you talk about politics? Don't talk about politics, Danmar.